Welcome to Muscle Building 101, where we'll be covering essential tips and techniques for beginners who are looking to build muscle. If you're new to working out or have tried in the past with little success, then this video is for you. We'll be covering everything from the basics of weightlifting to proper nutrition and recovery techniques. Before you jump into lifting weights, it's important to start with the basics. This includes bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. These exercises help strengthen your muscles and prepare your body for more advanced workouts. Plus, you don't need any equipment to get started. All you need is your own body weight and a willingness to push yourself. When it comes to weightlifting, proper form is essential for both safety and effectiveness. Before you start adding more weight, make sure you're using the correct form for each exercise. This can prevent injuries and help you target the intended muscle groups more effectively. Nutrition is just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle. You'll need to adjust your diet to ensure you're getting enough protein and calories to support muscle growth. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, and dairy products. It's also important to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to provide your body with the necessary vitamins and minerals. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise and nutrition. Your muscles need time to rest and repair in order to grow and become stronger. Make sure you are getting enough sleep each night, and allow time for rest days between workouts. This will help prevent injuries and ensure that you're making progress towards your muscle building goals.